Whether All Pro Roofing is the best choice for asphalt shingle roof installation in Mt Laurel Township, New Jersey, depends on your property, budget, and roofing needs. But we believe our commitment to dependable workmanship and comprehensive roofing services makes us a strong choice for local homeowners and businesses. Are you looking for a roofing contractor near me? You can stop looking. You found All Pro Roofing. Why are gutters important for an asphalt shingle roof installation? Gutters are important for an asphalt shingle roof installation because they help collect rainwater from the roof and direct it safely away from the fascia, siding, foundation, and surrounding property. During an asphalt shingle roof installation, we recommend making sure the gutter and downspout system is properly sized, positioned, and maintained to support effective drainage. Should I replace my gutters when installing a new asphalt shingle roof? You do not always need to replace your gutters when installing a new asphalt shingle roof, but we recommend having the entire gutter system inspected as part of the project. If they are old, damaged, frequently clogged, or no longer directing water effectively, combining gutter replacement with an asphalt shingle roof installation can provide a more complete drainage solution. What is your service area? Our All Pro Roofing serve the following New Jersey locations: Morristown, Medford, Mount Holly, Lumberton, Burlington, Voorhees Township, Haddonfield, Cherry Hill, Woodbury, Deptford, Cinnaminson, Pensauken Township, Collingswood, Evesham, Delran, Burlington Township, Southampton Township, Pemberton Township, Burlington County, Mt Laurel Township, New Jersey. Where is your All Pro Roofing office located? We are located at 257 Ramblewood Parkway, Mt Laurel Township, New Jersey 08054, United States. Our phone number is 856-443-4993. Visit our website, https://aproofer.com/mount-laurel-township-nj